In this video, I will be designing and 3D printing a phone holder for my car. So let's begin by sketching the main plate. The plate is going to contain a small channel where the clamps are going to slide. So here's the side view. Now we're going to add two spheres similar to a ball hitch. One is going to be for the clamp that's going to hold the phone holder, and the other one's going to give it small support. Down here I'm drawing the small plate with the clamps which slide into the plate. Now these dots here that I'm drawing, those are where I'm going to place the rubber band, which is going to help to close those clamps together and ultimately hold the phone in place. Now here I'm drawing the two clamps, side view of the clamps or top view. As you can see, those dots, and that's the rubber band. So here I'm just adding a small channel which is mainly for the rubber band or rubber bands. So I made a small mistake. The two spheres should be on the other side. These were just quick sketches, so if it doesn't make sense, don't worry. It will make more sense once I 3D design this. So here's my final design, and it has all of the components I had mentioned before. The two clamps, the plate with the channel where the clamps slide, and that's where the rubber band goes. It also has two small spheres that look like small hitches. I decided to add some ribs for grip on the clamps. Here's a close-up of the clamp, which is gonna clamp into the air vent of the car. And I decided to add a threaded hole and a small bolt just to hold in place the clamp. So here's the small support, and it's also gonna rest on the air vent of the car. So let's get this 3D printed. So here's the body, the plate, the two clamps, the clamp that goes into the vent, the bolt, and the support. It's time to assemble this phone holder. I'm going to begin by attaching the support. Now I'm going to attach the clamp by using a little bit of force until it clicks. And I'm also going to add the bolt. The bolt helps with holding the clamp in place so it doesn't move. Everything looks good so far. Now the two clamps, those just slide into the channels. And it's time to add the rubber band. I'm probably gonna need more than just one, maybe 4 or 5. We'll see. There we go. Everything looks good. So here's the final product in action. One thing I'm going to change is probably the material, just because I left this during hot weather, and when I came back it was all bent, and it makes sense because it has the rubber bands which make it easier to bend. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll respond to your comments, and it's really appreciated. Other than that, thank you for watching again, and have a great day. See you on the next one.